Hello and welcome to PowerSchool 101. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to the parent portal using the web. When your child first entered the Bryan County Public School System, the front office provided paperwork to parents that included a PowerSchool username and password for both the parent and a separate one for the student. The purpose of PowerSchool is to provide parents and students with the opportunity to easily monitor grades, assignments, attendance, teacher commentary, course and school information, as well as access to Georgia LDS, which is a statewide longitudinal data system that houses performance and testing data. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to the PowerSchool portal. I'm also going to show you how you can set up email notification services so that grade, attendance, and other information is emailed to you. Let's get started by logging on to the Dr. George Washington Carver website at www.bryancountyschools.org/o/CES. Once you've typed in the Bryan County web address for Carver Elementary School, the next step is to click on Menu. Click the down arrow next to Students and Parents. You'll notice that the menu items are listed in alphabetical order. We're going to come down to the PowerSchool portal. Notice the portal is both here for the student and the parent. So either username or password can be used at this point. I'm going to go ahead and enter my parent sign-in to PowerSchool. Upon entering PowerSchool, the very first place that I should probably go is Account Preferences. It's true that the username and password assigned to you by the school is probably long and complicated or maybe difficult to remember. So if you're interested in changing your username and password to something that's a little more user-friendly, this would be the place to do it. You're going to enter your first and last name, an email address where you would like notifications to be sent, select your language, and if interested in changing your current username and password, you will click the pencil item and type in the new username and the new password. And don't forget to hit Save once you've made those changes. To view grades and attendance, you want to click the very first option on the navigation menu, and this will bring you up to your student's schedule as well as their current grades. It also records their absences and tardies. To see individual assignments for a class, you're going to click right on the letter or number grade, wait for the page to load, and individual assignments will show up at the bottom of the page. Due dates for the assignment, the category, whether it's formative or summative, will be indicated here, the name of the assignment, flags, there are several of them, several different symbols. If you scroll to the bottom, you can use the legend to figure out what those flags mean. Here you have your final scores, the letter grade, and if the teacher left a comment, and if a comment was left, you'll see the word View in the last column. Sometimes the teacher will leave a description of the assignment, other times they may comment on the performance of the student on that assignment. Also note the ease of being able to email any of the teachers. Say I've decided that I don't want to spend time logging in to the portal each time. You can choose email notifications and have information sent to you. Remember to fill in your email address, any additional email addresses. I have my information coming to me at 2 of them. Remember to separate multiple email addresses with commas if there are several that need to be put in there. Down here you can select the information that you would like to receive via email. I chose detailed report of assignments and scores for each class, school announcements, and balance alerts. such as when a student is running low, maybe on their lunch accounts, etc. Down at the bottom, I can select the frequency. So I chose to have weekly updates of my children's grades. The other options are never, every 2 weeks, monthly, or daily. And make sure you hit the submit button. A third option for accessing your child's grades and attendance would be to download the PowerSchool app on your phone or device. To install it, if you have an Apple device, of course you'll go to the App Store, and Android, you'll go to the Google Play. Type in PowerSchool Mobile. Enter the district code, which is found down here in the bottom left-hand corner of your PowerSchool screen. Once you install the app, it's going to ask you to enter this code, CFBQ. In addition to that, you'll type in your PowerSchool username and password and be able to view all of your students' grades and attendance on the app. Some of the other items you'll find are grade history, attendance history, teacher comments, school bulletin, class registration, your child's schedule, school information, and the Georgia LDS. Under Georgia LDS, you will find performance data, resources along with school standards, testing data, and an area called My Career Plan. You have the option of easily being able to flip between your children. Should you have any further questions or concerns about PowerSchool, please do not hesitate to either contact your front office or the instructional technology specialist at your school.